Last minute meeting between President Cyril Ramaphosa, Ngizwe Mchunu and Phakela Mthakathi ahead of the 30th of June 2026 protests against illegal immigrants. And I have to admit, I did not see this one coming. It happened late last night. Even the news haven't covered this. I'm one of the few news that has covered it because obviously traditional newsrooms will take time to break this news, probably break this news at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. But anyways, what's striking and very, very obvious about this image is that Jacinta Ngobese is not here. So what's happening really? Is it like divide and conquer? Is it like President Cyril Ramaphosa, bringing these two closer?
Anyway, guys, the Ojaseka Mangobese Zuma also respond why she was not invited. So, for those who don't know what's going on, yesterday, Ongeze and Phakela Mthakathi met President Cyril Ramaphosa ebusuku. Ujacinta, she was not invited. So, this is what she has to say. Someone asked her under the post to say, Mazuma, the meeting between Ngizwe, Phakela Mthakathi and the President Cyril Ramaphosa, what does it mean? Why you were not involved? She went on to say, I saw it now on social media, angazi lutho. So people are angry. People are saying, what is going on in South Africa, guys? Somebody went on to say, this does not make sense. Why does it look private? Ujacinta, oh peace. So they're asking themselves, please don't sell out after all the hard work. This is the end of March and March. Where is Jacinta? Something is not adding up. Jacinta says she doesn't know about this meeting. So people are saying a lot of stuff for guys after seeing Phakela Mthakathi and Ngizwe meeting the president, guys. Some are saying we knew very well you guys gonna sell us. You really got what you wanted. Maybe the president has promised you that they're gonna give you more money. Stop this March and March. Today is the 30th of June 2026. People are still doing the March and March, guys. So it is already a 10-minute conversation. Wait, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment,